Hello and a very warm welcome to our channel. In this video, we will teach you how you can create table of contents and how you can format the headings of your document in Microsoft Word. So why we need this? It's a quick and effective method to organize your documents. So how is it done? How you can edit the appearance of your table of contents and how you can set the headings of the article in Microsoft Word. Let's learn about that. So to set the headings, you can see this tab here. It shows heading 1, heading 2, title, subtitle, etc. So normally the title of the content is set to the title tab. Like here you can see it shows title itself. So you need to select this one and it will automatically set the heading title for this one. It depends on your own requirements. If you would like to select it to heading 1, that's another option for you. If that is your requirement, you can set that, but usually the title tab is used for the titles. Secondly, moving on, here is our first heading, so we will set that to heading 1 and you can see it is moved to centered, and this small triangle shows that this one is set to heading 1. Now here is the second heading, so we will select that to heading 2 and likewise we will keep on doing the settings. So here we have more settings. We can select these two, heading 2. Likewise we can keep on doing that. So here's, let's again set this to heading 1. And now you can see here it shows the main features. We can set it to heading 3, and now our headings are set. Let's keep that to these headings only. So now let's create the table of contents. Our headings are set. Now let's go to the table of contents. So to create that table of content, you need to go to the references tab and it shows the table of contents tab here. Click on that tab and you can choose any formatting like automatic table 1, 2 as per your requirements. Let's go with the first tab. Now you can see the contents are created. Now notice the only few headings are in this content because we only set the headings for these tabs. To check the working of the table of content, you need to click on the heading by pressing Control. So Control plus click. So it takes you to that headings. Likewise, if you would like to go to the main features heading, Control and click and it will take you to the main features. Now see, these main features down the document are not set to any headings, so they will not appear in the table of contents. So here are two more things you can do with this table of contents. Firstly, you can modify the appearances of the document by you can bold that, increase the font size, change the color of the font, etc. just the way you like it. Let's undo and go back to the original settings. So the second thing is you can also modify your headings as well. So to modify those headings, you need to click on the heading you would like to modify and it shows the modify tab. Go to the modify tab and here you can select the color of your heading. Let's make it something like brown. Let's bold it and choose the font to 16. Press OK. As you press OK, this heading 2 will show as per your settings. So now when you will select the heading 2 tab, it will be set to that particular format. So that's how we create the table of contents, and these are good for organizing the document. So if you have any questions related to that, please comment below and we would be glad to answer those. Thanks for watching this video.